This video focuses on the rental inventory list and how to build your rental inventory. To get to this list, simply click the drop down on the rental info and go to your rental inventory list. Once you're here, you can start building your rental inventory. Simply select an item off of the drop down here and you'll see that these are items that are out of QuickBooks. You would choose your first item and enter an asset ID or some serial number. If you are a tool rental company, this is very handy. You can choose your generator line item and enter each individual serial number or asset ID. And you do it over and over again for each item you have available to rent. If you are a portable toilet company, your job is a bit easier. If you don't have individual asset numbers or serial numbers on your toilets, then you can use the bulk add serial numbers. And simply choose the line item, once again, off this drop down. We'll say we're going to use my PT rental line item. And you can decide how much you want to charge a customer as it adds to the transaction. You can enter in your default daily charge, a default weekly, and default monthly charge. These charges will load based upon the billing increment you select on the rental transaction. In the background, you can also do it as you add your individual asset IDs if you're not mass serializing your inventory. If you charge your customers different rates, then by all means, you can leave this at 0. And at the time you create your rental transaction, you can decide how much to charge your customer at that moment. Then we can enter in a quantity. Maybe I want to add 200 portable toilets to my rental inventory. Then I can choose a prefix. The prefix is not required, but it is handy. I can give it a PT prefix for a portable toilet. If I was adding hand washing units or ADAs or holding tanks, for instance, I would simply choose that item from this drop down and give it the appropriate prefix such as HW, hand washing, HT, holding tank, and so on. And then choose a starting number and click add. And now we have 200 rentable portable toilets that can be assigned to rental transactions. As you add a serial number onto a rental, you will see the system will automatically populate the customer name and the invoice number that is currently assigned to. Serial numbers or asset IDs are also required if you are using our QR code system. You assign the QR code to this particular asset. QR codes are explained in other videos. That is the rental inventory list. Have a good day, everybody.